I'm really excited because today we're making an icebox pie. This icebox pie is creamy, delicious. It has strawberry and pistachio cream in it. So wonderful, so easy, and all you do is mix everything together. And it's dairy-free. And if you find a gluten-free crust, you can make it gluten-free as well. So let's start with the base of this pie, which is cream cheese. This is a vegan cream cheese that I love to use. This one's made with almonds, almond milk. You can find different versions of this, but this is from Kite Hill, and I really like to use it. It was on sale even, which makes it even better. So a container of vegan cream cheese. And then all I need to do is just whip this up a bit. This is at room temperature, so whipping this up should be very easy. Where you can see it's just very well whipped. And then I'm going to add in a cup of chopped strawberries. And all I want to do is kind of use my mixer to further blend these into this vegan cream cheese. I quartered my strawberries, and this will make sure they're even further kind of chopped down, and we'll mix into that cream cheese really, really well. It also makes my cream cheese nice and pink, which is going to go really pretty with the green pistachio cream. All right, and you'll notice so far I've added no sugar to this. Now I'm going to add in, this is my favorite tub of frozen non-dairy whipped topping. This is Cocoa Whip. There's no dairy in it, and there's no hydrogenated oils in it. You can use whatever tub of non-dairy frozen whipped topping that you would like, and I just let it thaw overnight in the fridge so it's not frozen. And this is going to give it the sweetness. Just the only sweetness that it needs is from those berries and from this Cocoa Whip. Then I just need to gently mix this together till it's well incorporated. And it's a beautiful light pink color. Ah, nice. Now I pour it into one of these pre-prepared graham cracker crumb crusts. You can use a chocolate crust, you can use a nut crust, which is what I did the last time. Just where I shopped this past weekend did not have a lot of options, so I have just the regular graham crust. Anything works with this. You can make your own graham crust if you want. I'm just trying to keep it really easy and simple. And then all I need to do is spread this out in my crust. Okay, this will be cook's treat, and it is really delicious. Okay, then pistachio cream. Now you can find this on Amazon. I will link it below. It's like $13 and you're gonna love it. I love anything pistachio. This stuff is good over, you can see it's like green and creamy, this beautiful pistachio green color, and creamy and delicious. You can use it over like little grams as a snack. You can use it in desserts as a snack. It makes a really good pistachio latte. It's just one of my favorite things. I bought it first in Italy, and then I came back and started ordering it. And this is the same brand that I got in the Milan airport that I can get right through Amazon, which I love. So this is, you need about 1/4 cup, and I am probably not quite there in my jar because I've enjoyed this. This has been well loved on. Then all you need to do is drizzle in lines across this pie, and we're going to kind of swirl it in. It's going to look really, really pretty. That's good. That will do me. And then take the end of a small spoon or anything that has a finer tip like that. You can use a toothpick if you wanted to. But I'm just going to kind of swirl the pistachio into this. And ooh, it's gonna be, it just looks so pretty. And it gives it that extra layer of flavor in with the strawberries. That is quite enticing. Yes, I do love to taste as I go. So this is what it looks like so far. It's a beautiful thing. And then I have some crushed pistachios that I want to kind of take around the outside rim of this pie, just extra flavor, texture is in the crunch of this, and it just looks so gorgeous. is so pretty. That is so pretty. I like. And if you want to, you don't have to do this, but you could put a few perfectly placed strawberries. Cutie, cutie little pie. Now, all I need to do is cover this and put this in my freezer until it sets, and then we can pull it out and slice it. It's gonna be so good. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below. You'll get all the latest from us. Also, give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel, and leave a comment. Let us know what you want us to make on TaylorKitchen. I have let this pie chill out in my freezer for about an hour. We'll see if it needed more than that, but I was impatient, so I'm hoping not. And then I'm just going to cut through it. And you know that first piece is always so hard to get out. Because I want the perfect slice for you guys, but I don't know if I'm gonna get there. We'll see. Wish me luck. We're going in. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. This looks so, like I said, creamy, delicious, wonderful, and dairy-free with those pistachios and the strawberry in there. It is just like the ultimate, ultimate, ultimate bite. I want to get a little bit of everything. Oh. Wow. And it's perfect for a summer day. Nice and cool. If you want to leave it in your freezer, you can do that and then just bring it out like an hour before you want to serve it. It'll be the perfect consistency. Oh, so good. So I'm gonna dig into this, and you have got to check out the recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.